Hello friends, this is Ricky Chadda here. This video, this presentation is about conjunction, but conjunction of a retrograde planet, the planet which is going backward with the other planet. What would be the output? What would be the impact? What is the result of such a planet which is retrograde is in conjunction with the other planet? To know this and to understand this, I would request you to watch this video right up till the end. So let's start. Conjunction of retrograde planets. Let us see the effects of retrograde planet in the horoscope and how they impact our lives. First, retrograde planet brings in what is known as a strong Atma Bal, which shows that the soul is here to learn its lesson more intensively than others. If it's a good lesson, it will receive all that it can and more. And if it's a bad lesson, the soul will keep repeating its mistake until it has learned from it. When a planet is retrograde, it means it is closer to the earth, which is why people born during this time will feel the intensive effect of that planet, especially during its Mahadasha. If Mars is retrograde, it shows that one needs to be very careful when taking action because whatever they decide to do will have an intensified effect upon them. The person must look within to determine if the action they are taking is right or wrong, whether it's meaningful or it is meaningless. Jupiter retrograde can show intensified spiritual awareness, which can either damage a person's material life and take them on a spiritual path, or it can increase the material wealth. This all depends on the house placements of the retrograded planet. Venus, if it is retrograde in your horoscope, means that your relationship with others are going to be very karmic, or there are karmic lessons that you need to learn. Relationship will be intensified by Venus. It may also manifest by becoming an extremely creative artist who might be ahead of their time. How much of an effect does retrograde planet have on a conjunction with other planets? When retrograde planets are in conjunction with other planets, all that happens is that their influence on the other planet is intensified. If Venus is in conjunction with Moon while it is in retrograde, then the desire for relationship, romance and creativity will be stronger than in other conjunction. On the other hand, if Saturn is retrograde in your horoscope, then Saturn's quality will either be overwhelming or you will feel lack of motivation depending upon the house and the sign placement. Either you will be extremely disciplined, structured and orderly in your approach to work, or you will feel lazy, unmotivated and become unsocial. Saturn either will delay things for you more intensely or will bring it to you quicker than it would normally do. Similarly, retrograde Saturn in conjunction with Mercury can either make you a super disciplined about studies and extremely careful and serious in communication, or it might give you a speech impediment or disorder where words hiccups out of you. Also, you may be extremely shy and reserved in your communication versus a normal Saturn and Mercury conjunct person. The house position are very important to evaluate, and the house the retrograde planet rules is very significant. If the retrograde planet rules the 6th, 8th or the 12th house, then the result can be more problematic. So friends, we have seen the impact of planets which are retrograde and are into conjunction with the other planet. What is the outcome? What is the result of this? Friends, if you have liked this video, do share it with your friends, colleagues and relatives. If you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the notification bell icon so all my following videos come to your smartphone as a notification. Thank you so much. God bless.